Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the paper open. Start by adding the structural pages you need. First, create page breaks where chapters or front matter belong so content won't shift later. Use insert break page break for fixed new pages. For sections that need independent headers and footers, use insert break section break, next page. Once done, enable view show document outline to jump between headings. This saves time when rearranging and ensures your references, title page, and abstract sit on separate pages. Now set up pagination and layout so readers follow your paper. Add page numbers with insert header and page number and choose where numbering starts. If your title page shouldn't show a number, tick different first page and header options. Next, open Format Page Setup to set margins, paper size, and orientation. This keeps figures and tables from spilling to new pages. Use section breaks when you want distinct header/footer content between chapters. That prevents a shared header carrying across unrelated pages. Finish by checking flow and citations so the final PDF prints correctly. Insert citations with Tools Citations and generate a bibliography to avoid manual reformatting that shifts pages. Once major edits are done, scan the document for orphans and widows. Adjust with manual page breaks rather than large empty paragraphs. If content jumps after collaborative edits, reapply section or page breaks where needed. And if all else fails, export to PDF to preserve page placement when submitting or printing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.